Hey, welcome to this overview of a Sidemount Pros Sidemount Workshop. Workshops differ from our standard courses of Sidemount Fundamentals or Tech Sidemount in that they are based on the specific requirements and needs of the student. I was really happy to have the chance to work with Kyla Johnston. Kyla was already Sidemount qualified and a very competent diver. In our workshop, we worked over 2 days and 4 dives on moving her from aluminium to steel cylinders, reviewing and improving her equipment setup, and enhancing her relaxed static stability, propulsion techniques, donning and doffing equipment, and entries and exits from a rib. It was awesome to partner with Global Dive and Northland Dive for this workshop, and our dives were done at Deepwater Cove in the Bay of Islands, New Zealand. For each of our skills dives, we deployed SMBs and then a control line which we use as a visual reference, along which we could practice finning technique, stability, and trim checks. Here you can see Kyla is trimmed down by the head. We were able to fix this during the surface interval, and you can see in the next dive her stability is dramatically improved. And here Kyla is completing a valve drill. Our skills dives completed, we decided to put everything into practice here on the Canterbury wreck, moving into the engine room through some relatively narrow spaces. Here we're practicing stability, finning technique, and in particular choosing the right technique at the right time. Here portside in the engine room, between some of the equipment, and then ascending through the hatch up to 2-deck, to the 2-deck passage. As we moved along 2-deck, I took the opportunity to demonstrate to Kyla different orientations, here passing through a doorway on my side. This is Kyla passing the funnel, working on stability and propulsion technique before we took it to the bridge windows. Great opportunities for practicing passing through narrow, confined spaces. Lastly, we executed a staged decompression ascent, holding stops, again being stable and relaxed in the water. With our decompression done, we stowed the long hose before getting to the surface and working on doffing procedure and handing cylinders up to the boat. If you want to know more about Sidemount Pros workshops and courses, then go to www.sidemountpros.com. Also look out there for our Sidemount Fundamentals ebook, available for download from the Sidemount Pros store.